Hello guys, and welcome to Vibes with Arlene vlog. Vibes with A Rose vlog, and this is Arlene. So here I have some corn boiling, and I have some cinnamon stick, some cinnamon leaf, and you could pressure the corn, and I'll show you what the corn looks like in the pack. So this is the corn. So it is it's made of real corn, but they break it up or pound it up. So you washed it, put it to soak until you get this bigger grain when you boil it. So this is what it looks like. So I soak it and then let it boil. I put some salt in the water when you're boiling, and I have the cinnamon leaf and cinnamon stick. So I let that boil. Once it's cooked, I add some coconut cream. I have the coconut powder, or you could use coconut milk or real coconut, or you can use any bag milk of your choice. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Corn, and it's boiling. So I'm gonna add some cornstarch in water. So I'm gonna place it in and let it thicken, because I don't want it to be that runny, so I want it to be in texture, a bit thickened, so the cornstarch will thicken it. If you don't have cornstarch, you can use flour. You mix out some flour in the water and get it to thicken. Okay, so I'm stirring it around so it won't stick to the bottom. Okay, the corn won't stick to the bottom. So you let it thicken up to how thick you want it, because you don't want it too watery. Okay, and if you need to add some more cornstarch, you can add about 2 teaspoons. And if you see that you need more cornstarch, you could add it. And I'm gonna put a bit of ground cinnamon in. So guys, I like using this almond essence. Okay, it makes your porridge really taste really good, and you just need a little bit, about a teaspoon of it. And you add your vanilla, a teaspoon of vanilla. So here I have vanilla. It's almost done. I do have another vanilla. So you just add the vanilla according to your taste, okay? So this is optional, some rose water, just a tips. It's just for flavor. Oh, and that aroma, it is smelling so nice. Okay. So here I have some new pack condensed milk or condensed sweetener. You can use Grace new pack, whichever condensed milk you wish. Okay. And I'm gonna grate some nutmeg in. And I did add a little bit of the cinnamon powder already. So I'm gonna grate some off. So I have some nutmeg. So I'm gonna grate some nutmeg in. So you need a little tablespoon of it. So I add my nutmeg and spice in. So you spice it up the way you want it. Okay. So it's optional that you add your white sugar or brown sugar for taste. So here I'm using this brand of Rudolph golden yellow sugar or brown sugar, as you called it. Just gonna mix it out, and then I add my condensed milk for sweetening taste. And when you put your spices in, all that aroma of the flavor just bursts with all that essence and vanilla. Okay. So let's open this condensed milk. So I'm gonna add my condensed milk to the taste that you're looking for. And how sweet you want it. So you're looking for that nice, rich and creamy. Some people don't use condensed milk, some people use Lasco milk. But I'm using my condensed milk. And I did not have any real coconut. So I use a Grace coconut powder. So I'm just gonna give it a mix. so the corn does stick to the pot. It depends on the pot you're using. So and this is the consistency that I'm looking for. And you see, when you put the condensed milk, it change color. Just turn it down. So guys, please, I'm asking you to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Please guys, I know I'm getting the views, but I'm looking for some more subscribers. Please, I'm asking. Even if you're not watching the whole videos and you like what you're seeing, you just press the subscribe button. Drop a comment. And I'm on a porridge. Is not hard to make. Let me just clean this off. I'm gonna get the bowl. Sorry, I'm just wiping the stove off. Here I have my bowl, so I'm just gonna place some in. I'm just gonna turn it off because that is ready. Can you see? Oh, sorry, phone just came off the phone screen. Sorry guys, sorry. See, nice and rich. Let's flip the camera. So here I am having some. It's pretty hot. And it's not too sweet. It's just right. You can make it sweeter if you want it with some brown sugar. So this is Arlene. I'm Arlene, and this is my channel, Vibes with A Rose vlog. So please, I'm asking you to thank you for all the new subscribers that I'm getting, and my other subscribers. Thank you for liking up my channel. Continue to please like and share. And I'm asking for the new subscribers. If you're passing, just press the subscribe button. Thank you guys to my channel, and thank you guys. So this is once again the Amani corn porridge, and as I say, see, I can show you again, nice and rich and creamy. So I turn it off and I pour some. I'm just gonna have some. So thank you guys for tuning in, and have a good day. Bye for now.